Fractions of the same whole are often compared to determine who's got a bigger or smaller part of the whole.
Fractions are also compared to determine which position is farther up, down, left, or right of another position. To make a quick decision about which fraction is bigger requires having some mental math strategies.
There are many different strategies to mentally compare the sizes of fractions quickly and easily. We're going to look at 3 of them.
The first strategy applies when the fractions have the same denominator. For example, 1/8 and 3/8. You don't need a pencil and paper to figure out which is bigger if you stop and think about it. Click on the bigger fraction.
I don't need the pictures to be able to tell which is bigger.
Another strategy applies when the numerators are the same. For example, 2/3 and 2/5. Click on the bigger fraction. Can you tell that 2/3 is bigger without the pictures?
Sure, fifths are smaller than thirds, so 2/5 is smaller than 2/3.
What would you do if you were asked to put these 7 fractions in order?
First, 0 and 1 can be placed on a number line. 1/2 is right in between. 1/8 is pretty close to 0, which is 0/8.
You are comparing 1/8 to 0, so you are using 0 as a benchmark.
In a similar way, 9/10 is almost 10/10, or 1 whole.
Now you are using 1 whole as a benchmark.
We used 2/5 before, and we saw that it is a little bit less than 1/2.